Minimum support price. It is a price government agencies pay to procure a crop. Under MSP, 22 crops are procured, of which 6 are Rabi, 14 are Kharif, and 2 are cash crops. The government agencies which are involved in procuring the crops are FCI, state agencies, NAFED, NCCF, Cotton Corporation of India, and Jute Corporation of India. Whereas FRP, which is called Fair and Remunerative Price, is a minimum price at which sugarcane is to be purchased by sugar mills from farmer within 14 days of announcement. Now, the FRP established in 2009, replacing the earlier called statutory minimum price, which was declared for sugarcane. The CACP recommends the MSP and FRP to CCCA, which is headed by Prime Minister, which ultimately announced the MSP plus FRP. Now, the CACP is a Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices, which was established in 1965 as Agricultural Price Committee, which was renamed as CACP in 1985. CACP is nothing but an attached office under the Agricultural Ministry. Now, CCCA, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, is headed by Prime Minister, which announces MSP. There is a price called State Advisory Prices. Now, this price varies from state to state as it is an amount given extra by the state government on FRP. Therefore, it is generally more than FRP. That is, SAP, State Advisory Prices, is more than Fair and Remunerative Prices. When we talk about legal backing, MSP does not have a legal backing, whereas FRP has legal backing under Essential Commodities Act of 1955. This act provides a legal backing through Sugarcane Control Order 1966 to both sugar and the sugarcane. The factors considered for calculation of MSP include demand and supply of those 22 crops, market price, trends, and parity vis-a-vis other crops, that is inter-crop parity, inflation, environment, that is soil, water affecting these crops, terms of trade between agriculture and non-agricultural commodities, and at least 50% margin over cost of production. Now, based on this, MSP is calculated. And the formula which is used for calculating MSP is A2 plus FL, which is 1.5 times, and that is equals to MSP. Now, A2 here refers to the all paid out cost incurred by farmers in cash and kinds on seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, hired labor, leased in land, fuel and irrigation, whereas FL refers to the unpaid family labor, that is the family members involved in cultivation of those crops. Whereas, to calculate FRP, the factors considered are cost of production, general trade, trend of agriculture commodity prices, sugar recovery from sugarcane. Now, even if the sugarcane recovery falls below 9.5%, farmers are guaranteed minimum FRP on the sugarcane, margin, and at the end, realization from sale of molasses, baggies, and etc. Now, these are the differences between the MSP and FRP.